lastly, we wanted to just show the record mode. So if you have been recording guides before, you maybe know that it's a lot of work and it can take quite a lot of time. But now with the new record mode, you can simply just get into this mode, record. And now instead of adding instructions all the time and then editing and selecting context and so on, you simply just add the instruction and then follow the process. And you can see in the panel here to the right that when I add instructions, they just get added to the list. And I follow the process at the same time as I create the instructions. So this used to take a lot of time, but now it's just a click. And I can do it while doing the actual process. So if I click escape now, go back, toggle on this guide I just created, then you can see that this is already working without me doing anything else than just recording.
The outlines with this full thing with some default titles and stuff. So you build it all and then you go in and maybe
you can make your changes afterwards.
Yeah, modify some details, the titles, and fill out things instead of doing one at a time as it was in the past.